Hi, it's Alex from Ethyl's Garage again with a quick update on how things are progressing here at the new bookstore, Ethyl's Garage in Mill Creek. Come on inside and see all the progress we've made. Here in the main room, our first rank of bookshelves have been assembled, and we're just waiting to put the seismic anchors in, and then we'll be filling them up with books. In the second room, the last time I showed it to you, it didn't have the carpet down yet. Now it's got carpet. The next step is going to be getting the bookshelves set up for this room. And the last time also, we looked a little bit at the office. The office wasn't finished yet either. Now the carpet and the cove base are in. So now it's just time to install our desks and our computers and get to work. And of course, we still have many more bookshelves to assemble. As you can see from the pile here, this is bookshelf bases. This is the actual shelves. And these are shelf frames that hold up the shelves. And as you can see, there's still quite a few of them that have to be dealt with. Thank you for coming along on this brief tour of the progress here at Ethyl's Garage. As always, like, subscribe, tell all your friends. More updates coming soon. Bye for now.